In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration, connecting boards on Monday.com can be a game changer. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily link your boards together. First, you'll want to go to your workspace. This is your hub on Monday.com where all your boards are located. Accessing the right workspace is crucial because you'll want to ensure that you're connecting boards that are relevant and necessary for your specific project or team task. Once you are in your workspace, the next step is to focus on the columns. Columns are pivotal as they can hold a variety of data types and connect different pieces of information from across your project. Locate the column settings, which are usually indicated by a small icon or drop-down menu next to your column name. Click on this to open up various column options. Among these options, look for Connect Boards. This option is your gateway to bridging information between different boards, allowing for a seamless flow of data and updates. Once you click on Connect Boards, a prompt will appear asking you to select the boards you want to link to. Here is where you decide which boards can share valuable information. This is particularly useful if you're managing numerous projects that require constant updates and collaboration between different teams. Therefore, it's important to carefully consider which boards align with your current goals or projects. After clicking Select Boards, the interface will present a list of boards available in your workspace. You can scroll through or use a search function to quickly find the ones you need. Simply click on the board or multiple boards you wish to connect. Keep in mind that your selections will dictate the flow of information or tasks between these boards, so choose wisely based on your project's needs. Now that you have chosen the relevant boards, it's time for the final step. Look for the Connect Boards button in the interface, usually highlighted to signal that this is the key action to initiate the connection. Clicking this button will finalize the process, creating a live link between the boards. This interconnected setup means updates on one board can be reflected on another, ensuring your team stays informed and coordinated. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance productivity and ensure all team members are on the same page, regardless of the board they're working on. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing resources, or aligning team goals, connecting boards in Monday.com facilitates real-time collaboration and efficient workflow. So go ahead and implement these steps and watch your team's productivity soar to greater heights.